Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring iCloud Contacts is on and backing up your phone so nothing is lost. Open the Contacts app and find the first problematic number. If the contact appears multiple times, tap Edit and Compare fields, delete exact duplicates or copy missing details into the primary card. Once done, standardize formatting. Add country code, +1, +44, and remove spaces or symbols that confuse sync. Make sure each person has one main contact card you will preserve. Now you'll combine and clean remaining entries. Tap a contact, choose Edit, then scroll to link contacts to merge duplicates into a single card. This preserves call history and messages. Edit each phone number into International E164 format so carriers and apps match records. Remove old labels like Mobile 2 or unused emails that cause syncing conflicts. As you save changes, iCloud will propagate updates. If you use other accounts, repeat the merge there to avoid reintroducing. Finish by forcing a sync so all devices reflect your clean list. Go to Settings, your name iCloud, and toggle Contacts off then on, or sign out and back in. This refreshes the server copy. Also check Gmail or Exchange accounts in Settings Contacts accounts to remove duplicate sources. If numbers still behave oddly, restore the backup you made and retry merges, or use a reputable contact cleaning app as a last resort. If sync errors continue, reboot the phone and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.